Hey guys, I'm already on TradingView and let's start analyzing the strategy, which requires just two indicators, and you can see these two indicators on your screen now. And first we select the moving average. Before we start trading, we need to configure it to work as needed, and we go into the settings and choose a yellow line for the moving average. And then we go to the inputs and set the period to 50, and the settings for this moving average are now complete. And let's move on to selection the second indicator. We also need to configure the second indicator. Here we set the period to 35, and the style tab we remove the background. So this is the strategy, and let me show you how it works on the Bitcoin to USD chart. First we get a signal from the indicator in the form of blue triangle, and if our moving average is below this triangle, you can open a long position. I recommend setting stop loss at the previous structural level before opening your position. And now let's look at opening a short position. And here you see a signal in the form of a red triangle, and if your moving average is above the signal, you can open a short position. Set the stop loss at the previous structural minimum or maximum points before opening a short position, and this is a general principle for entering trades. I have just shown you an example of opening a short position on the Bitcoin to USD chart. Another important point, and the strategy works well for scalping. Today I will trade on a 5-minute time frame in real time on Forex, opening trades on currency pair. And another important point, this strategy also performs well with position of a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. All you need to know for trading with this strategy. And now let's start our trading session. Euro USD currency pair has given a signal to open a short position. I have set the stop loss at the structural maximum and opened the trade at 1 to 3, and let's see the result, guys. My first short position has successfully closed. I earned $300 to my bank account, and the signal was quite reliable, and I am absolutely satisfied with the result. Let's continue the trading session. AUD USD currency pair has given a signal to open a long position, and let's do that, guys. I set the stop loss at the structural minimum, and the price reacted and moved up twice from this level, and I'll open the position at 1 to 2. Let's see the result of this long position. So my long position has also successfully closed. I earned $200 to my bank account, and the signal was excellent, and I am fully satisfied with the result. And let's continue the trading session. GBP USD currency pair has given another signal to open a long position. I set my take profit and stop loss, and all conditions for entry are met, and the signal in the form of a blue triangle, and the moving average is below the signal. I set the stop loss at the structural minimum and open the trade at 1 to 2, and let's see the result of this long position. So my long position has finally closed in profit. Excellent trade, guys. The signal was fully justified and I earned $200. And let's conclude by finding one more short position, and let's continue and find the next currency pair. All conditions are met, and let's set up the short position. I set the stop loss at the structural maximum and will open the position at 1 to 2, and let's see the result of the short position. My short position has also successfully closed. I earned $200 to my bank account, and in total I earned $900 during this trading session. And this is a simple strategy, and as you can see, it works in most cases and most signals closed in profit. I hope everything was clear. If you have any questions, you can find the link to my Telegram in the video description to ask any questions. I'll do my best to help everyone. Have a great day, good luck on trading, bye bye.